Hello and welcome to Seamless Sewing Arts here in Phoenixville. Most of you probably know by now we're at our new location in the barn. So I have very exciting news. I'm going to open a box that actually has something to do with farm animals. Since we're in the barn here, for most of you who know me, know I'm a country bumpkin at heart. I have a sophisticated side, but most of you who know me know that I like anything farm. So I'm excited to reveal that we ordered some fabrics from Figo, a line called Countryside Comforts by Jane Carkill of Little Lamb. So let's take a look and see what it is. As the name suggested, Little Lamb is the first one out. Very beautiful fabric with lambs and some yellow flowers, look like buttercups, and some green foliage. The next one will be my favorite because I grew up on a beef farm. And these are some lovely, lovely cows. Nice brown color. They could be Jerseys, they could be Guernseys, I'm not sure, but they're very pretty. And this would be my brother's favorite because he is actually raising chickens. These are a bunch of cute little yellow chicks on a pale yellow background, golden chicks. And this reminds me of my son-in-law because he is a dairy farmer up in Coopersburg, and here is wheat. So he does grow a lot of wheat for his cows. Another chicken one's coming up next. This is a bigger print. Beautiful, beautiful chickens here. It's kind of got a dark, I don't know if it's black. I think it looks like a black background with green foliage and nice, beautiful hens. Oh, here's another little baby chick one. Same golden chicks, but on a brown background, like a light tan. And the last one to bring it all together is a blender that looks like it's going to be fencing, like chicken wire. So come on into the store and come see Countryside Comforts, or it'll be online shortly. Thanks for watching.